Gigo.
Assembling and disassembling of B-block cubes. First, find the pack of one cube and a hole on the other. While gently pressing the pack into the hole, give a small twist and they will combine easily. To take two or more cubes apart, give a small twist as you pull. Remember though, the cubes can only be twisted apart if one pack is used to connect them. If you want to fix the blocks more firmly, you should use two packs to connect the blocks. This will make the structure more stable. To take apart this kind of structure, use both hands to twist where the blocks join. One side twist up, the other twist down. Again, the blocks should come apart easily.